Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I certainly appreciate you stopping by. Today I've got an unboxing of a Styline kit from AMT. Found this one sitting in the old stash there. Shrink wrap was removed years ago. This is kit number 200. This one here is a Ford Galaxie, number 8120. Kit includes a wall display shelf. That's pretty cool. I haven't seen that in a while. Some highlights of what's included. On the back, just some info about the company. This was a AMT Ertl product. I don't see a year on it anywhere. It may be there hiding on me. Now let's get right into it. Alright, first off we got the instructions. I'll go ahead and go through those. Oh, they're larger, but they're in the style of the old vintage model kits from the 60s. This is what the instructions look like. Some info, short story about styling, pretty neat. Full wheel cut, interesting. Oh, there's the decals. We'll get to those in a second. I didn't realize those were going to be in there. There's the interior. Wow, this is definitely old school here. The old like plastic washers that would hook onto the little nipples that are sticking out to hold it down. Use those to glue it down and secure it. Here's how to build it stock. Custom. More custom. When I first saw the kit, I thought it was going to be a Thunderbird. I forgot that it was a Galaxie, even though it said it on the side of the box. But the cover art reminds me of a Thunderbird from like the 50s. I think 56 was the first year, 55. 55 I think it was. Something kind of neat there, showing you how to put on body filler. That's cool. And how to apply decals, or where to apply the decals. And your little wall shelf. That's pretty cool. Display shelf. Alright. Yep. As promised, here's the decals. It says hungry, hot and heavy, push rods, Syracuse, New York license plate. That's really different. Some pinstriping. That's it, 61 Ford hardtop. Alrighty. Here's the body. Sharp looking. It says 61. Well, I thought that was the back taillights remind me of 63 Galaxie. 61 I thought was like the Starliner. That might have been just a option. That's pretty cool. Got the Ford on the hood there. Nothing there. It's just a discoloration in the molding of the body. Everything else looks good. Feels nice. Pretty thick, heavy plastic. Here's the tub. Pretty basic. especially for back in the day. You know, if it's a like a retro kit, you have to break in the auxiliary pedal down there. A little bit of flashing there, no biggie. One of the custom parts. I think that's for the headlights. If you see it in the box, that's what that is. It'll go on there. However, different. I'll probably build mine stock. I like the look of stock in a lot of, especially the older cars. Clear parts include just the windshield and the rear glass. Oh, nope. There's some headlights right there. Okay. As always, we'll keep them in there to protect them. Here's the chassis with a lot of parts built right into it, including the exhaust. No muffler. Oh, here it is at the end. The old resonator style muffler way at the back. Bottom of the engine. This is sort of along the lines of a promo kit with the way all that is molded right in. This is probably a tailpiece, although with that point it could be the front end again. Maybe it's, let me look and see. Yeah, I think it goes in the front. Give you a whole different look. Part for the tailpiece. Tires. Firestones. Very straight line tread. We call those suicide tires because you're not getting much grip with them suckers. Let's see else. Here's a wall display. Probably says Ford right there. What you do is you build it, put it all together, and then use that plate there to cover up the screw hole that goes into the wall so your mom don't see that part. Dashboard and steering wheel. I believe that's a fender skirt. Probably another one in there somewhere. Yep, right here. A couple of fender skirts for the rear. You see it there on the box. Some wheel backs. A reel-to-reel tape player. The things that go into the axles, or the spot where the axles will go through. Those are them washers for holding the tub, interior tub in. Some seat belts. This is definitely a rear custom piece. Giant piece of plastic. I have no idea what that's for. I didn't see that in the instructions anywhere. Let's look. Get back to that one in a sec. Big old fin. Maybe you want to turn your land yacht into an actual yacht and put a keel on it. Hold on a second here. Custom front end. Make it look like a GTO of the future. Bumper. I believe it. Well, probably go that way. Some screws to put it together. Very nice, just like a promo kit also. 4 screws, 2 metal axles, and some red parts for the taillights. Don't know why there's only 3, but there's only 3. Now let's see what this is. I didn't catch this inside the instructions. Shout out if you see it, because I may have just missed it. No, I don't see it on there. Well, when the time comes to build it, if I run across the use for it, I'll let you guys know. If you know, let me know. Excuse me. There's a bent over piece. I imagine you use that to customize it, cut it, and trim it down to fit your needs. Not really sure what that piece is for. But let me get into the chrome parts here. First we have a bumper. And the front grille assembly, that's sweet looking. That's why I usually build them stock, because that's just sweet. Here's rear end, a couple of different options for hubcaps and wheels. And then on this side you get what looks like a 70 Chevy Impala grille. Some grate looking grille. Grate as in like a fire grate, not fantastic grate, but it's pretty neat. Options for your lighting, headlights, mirrors, spotlights. That's it. Very sweet. Well, already I just run across this one in my stash, and I thought, hey, I'd share this with everyone. I want to thank you all for stopping by. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe. And if you have subscribed, please go back and check again, make sure that you are still subscribed. I've noticed that through the algorithm or whatever, some people have been dropping off, and I can't imagine why. So please go ahead and check back, make sure you are subscribed. I appreciate it. I want to give you guys a big shout out and a thank you, and have yourselves a great day.